Make sure that you are attached to the STA student email. Go to your Launchpad, this little rocket shaped looking one right here. Find your self-service. You might have to click over to the next white icon. Self-service is this square with the colored pieces. Once self-service has loaded, scroll through your icons until you find the one that says Zoom. Hit install. Make sure that you wait until it is completely installed, which will take some time. When the install is complete, your Zoom icon will completely disappear from your screen. And then when you go to your first Zoom meeting, you will have to finish your setup with Zoom then.